Did you know a waterless no-flush urinal can save up to 30,000 gallons of water or more per year? Here's how it works. It looks just like a conventional urinal, but you will notice it does not have a flush valve because waterless urinals do not need water for their sanitary function. With no moving parts, many problems and service calls have been eliminated. With the flush valve gone, you will never find an unflushed urinal or urine pooling in water. You will never have to worry about flush valves operating improperly, leaking, or constantly running. There are two main reasons why water is not needed on urinal surfaces. Urine is already 96% water, and you don't need water to transport water. The dry urinal surface is water and urine repellent. Any small amount of urine residue will quickly dry. The urine just flows into a special device called an eco-trap and passes through a unique liquid called Blue Seal. The design of the eco-trap also functions as a strainer. It does not allow foreign objects such as chewing gum, bottle caps, or cigarette butts to flow into the urinal, which could create blockage in the drain line and cause more problems. The waterless urinal has a special insertable device called an eco-trap. The eco-trap contains the odor-blocking Blue Seal liquid. This cross-section of the eco-trap shows how it functions with the Blue Seal. Blue Seal has a gravity lighter than urine. Similar to oil floating on water, Blue Seal sits above the urine waste and creates an absolute odorless seal. As the urine flows from the bowl into the eco-trap, it passes through the Blue Seal layer and travels into the waistline, much like a flush urinal. These are the only supplies needed to maintain the waterless urinal. This is the Blue Seal, available in quarts and gallons. Here's the portion aid, which measures out the correct amount of Blue Seal needed. This is the insertable eco-trap, which fits into the bottom of the urinal. And here is the extractor tool, which easily removes the eco-trap. Let's move on to the cleaning of the waterless urinal. Like all other restroom fixtures, the waterless urinal requires regular cleaning. The waterless urinal is cleaned very much like a conventional urinal. However, it will be much easier to clean the waterless urinal because of the lack of hard water deposits and flush urinal rims needed to supply water, saving you precious time. You may use the same cleaning supplies you are currently using on your flush urinal. Disinfectant sprays, soapy water, soft sponges, paper or cloth towels are okay. As with all porcelain fixtures, do not use any abrasive cleaners, abrasive towels, or abrasive brushes on waterless urinals. To clean the waterless urinal, remove any foreign objects from the base of the urinal bowl. Then spray on the cleaner, or use a soft sponge, a soft cloth, or a Johnny mop to apply soapy water. Wipe all surfaces, especially on the lower front of the urinal. Then dry the surfaces with a soft cloth or rag. Please know that your cleaning materials will not harm the Blue Seal layer. However, one word of caution regarding the regular cleaning. Do not pour large amounts of water quickly down the eco-trap because it could flush the Blue Seal out of the trap. Two other quick maintenance requirements are the replenishment of the Blue Seal and the replacement of the eco-trap. Let's take another look at the cross-section of the eco-trap. The eco-trap contains 3 ounces of Blue Seal. As the urinal is in use, the urine that is displaced into the urinal bowl will pass through the Blue Seal liquid to the waistline, taking a trace amount of Blue Seal with it. The 3 ounces of Blue Seal will last approximately 1,500 uses. Replenishing of the Blue Seal is usually done only once or twice a month, based on how often the urinal is being used. A chart showing when to add Blue Seal is included with every urinal. This whole process takes only seconds and is extremely easy. Take a bottle of Blue Seal, unscrew the cap, and screw on the portion aid. The portion aid is a measuring device which accurately measures the amount of Blue Seal for you. Squeeze the bottle and measure out 3 ounces of Blue Seal into the portion aid. Pour the Blue Seal directly into the trap towards the back of the urinal. There is no need to touch or remove the trap. That's all there is to it. Going back to the eco trap, you will see that there are only small openings around the outside edge of the trap. This allows the urine to pass through it freely. As we stated earlier, most foreign objects will not get caught in the trap, causing a buildup or blockage. However, small amounts of urine sediments will be retained in the eco trap. Other small objects such as hair, coffee grinds, etc. will be caught in the trap. In a flush urinal, they will normally start to build up in the P-trap or sewer line, creating a blockage. The eco-trap is designed to retain these sediments, and therefore it needs to be replaced 2 to 4 times a year or every 7 to 10,000 uses, based on urinal usage. A chart showing how to determine when to change the eco-trap is also included with each urinal. This whole procedure is also very simple. To replace the eco trap, insert the extractor tool into the trap ring knobs. Because the extractor tool has notched tabs that when turned will lock the eco trap in place to avoid slipping, turn the tool counterclockwise to lock in place. With your free hand, press and hold the center of the trap, while slowly pulling or tugging the eco trap upward. Wiggle the trap side to side to help you loosen the trap insert. Do not pull straight up. While holding the eco trap with the extractor tool, empty the trap contents into the drain hole of the urinal. Put the used eco trap into a plastic trash bag and dispose in an appropriate manner. If you choose to recycle the used trap, this can be done like any other Mark V recycling item. With the trap removed, you may take your cleaning brush or mop and clean the inside of the trapway to loosen any soft sediment deposits. Next, pour a full bucket of preferably hot water into the drain hole to flush the waistline of any soft sediments before inserting the new eco trap. Set a new eco trap into the drain hole of the urinal, pushing the eco trap down so that it is seated below the drain hole rim. You can tap or pop the eco trap with a closed fist, ensuring that it is below the hole rim. Fill the new eco trap with approximately 12 ounces of water. This will provide the Blue Seal liquid a surface to sit on once it is added. Add the 3 ounces of odor blocking Blue Seal and you're finished.
Frequently asked questions. If you notice a strong urine smell, make sure the Eco Trap has Blue Seal liquid. If it does not, simply refill with 3 ounces of Blue Seal liquid. If there is still an odor, make sure that the Eco Trap is pushed down below the surface of the urinal. If there is a puddle of urine in the urinal bowl, the Eco Trap may be full and may need to be replaced.